Hello friends, I'm Nisa Vidalia and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the snake game. This is how the snake game works. You have to make the snake eat the apple. And whenever it eats the apple, the score would increase, the length would increase by -10, and then it would show the direction, and then once it touches the edge, it would show game over. So now I'll teach you how to make it. First, we have to make a costume. So you have to click make a fill and don't put an outline, so put a 0 and then make a circle. Mine is purple because I like purple. And then for the snake head, first we have to make the code. So let's put when flag is clicked, then we have to switch backdrop to the blue sky, which is our backdrop when we are playing the game. So, and then go to 0, X value is 0 and the Y position is 0. And then set the direction to right and set length to 0. So where you would find it is go to variables, make a variable, type the name in, and then there you go. I've made all of mine. Okay, then we have to put a forever, and then if the direction of up, then change Y by 10. So if the direction is equal to up, so it's going up, then change the Y position by 10. If the direction equals to down, then change the Y by -3. And then if the direction is going right to the right side, then change X by 3. And if direction equals to left, then change X by -3. You can change these numbers to however you like. I personally like the speed to be slow, so it's easy for me. So I have kept it 3. You can put it 4 or 5 or 6 or whatever you want. And then you have to, and then I'm gonna create a clone of myself. So I'm gonna create another snake head, and then if touching edge, like if the snake head touches the edge, then we have to hide it and then switch to backdrop to stripes, which is this one. I have made this backdrop, and then we have to stop everything. And then when we click the left arrow key pressed, set direction to left. So this direction will say left. And then when the down arrow key pressed, set direction to down. So then this would again say down. And then when up arrow key pressed, set direction to up. So then it would say up. And then when right arrow key pressed, set direction to right. And then when the flag is clicked, you have to show it, show the snake head. And when I start as a clone, wait length seconds. Again, you can get the length by making your own variable, and then wait for the length seconds. So for the length of seconds, and then you have to delete this clone, and then yeah. And then for the apple, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on a sprite. I've chosen an apple. And then when flag is clicked, set the score to 0, which you can get again by making your own variable, and then go to X. So the X one will be, I said pick random 222 minus 220. That means just pick a random position in between of 220 to minus 220. And then the Y position again is pick random in the middle of 170 to minus 170. And then for forever, So forever keep doing it. If touching snake head, so if the apple touches the snake head, go to, again, pick random 220 to minus 220. Y, pick random minus 170 to minus 1 to 170, and then change length by minus 1. So then the length that we made, it will increase by minus 1 if we if the snake head touches the apple, which means it eats the apple. Then the length will change by 0.1, and then the score will also change by 1. And then when flag is clipped, you have to show the apple, and when backdrop switches to stripes, so when it switches to stripes, you have to hide it. So that's how you make the snake game. I'm gonna show you the finished product. I don't want to touch the edge, so I have to keep moving and trying to eat the apple. I have touched the edge, so it says game over. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. Thank you. See you next time.